Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Soanakas mi alim soanakas te kudina me bagdol kolli alon menge teamu mi har GC IGCSE O level IGCSE economics ke lesson tak kuriya gendum ke silsilain mi adu so ham je fain lesson kuriya gendum mattaka mi har mi section 2 nimma section 3 fatta mi ulani mi adu ge so kuriya gendum ham je fawa filawalaki um, household income, spending, saving, and borrowing me filar. Me lesson के outcome की discuss the influence on spending of household. माने कि household spending ना influence पूरा kan तक का बे होतो. So वाह दक्कालाना influence on saving of household हम या को saving ना spending ना को saving ना influence पूरा factors तक का बे होतो. So वाह दक्कालाना अदि हम या को borrowing of household ge wagas dakkalana de merega himenene income and expenditure pattern lower income and high income tafatuwa sababta bes mega himene some households spend large sums of money while others spend only a small amount each week. Now this is the known fact. We have kudinna singa the income money then RMM already asluga me company key vegan discuss kuram vegan. Some also be able to save more than others and an unknown fact to me the by me save kurading through and by save kurading madwan. So the amount that the household borrow also varies. Tafatwa sababta reason na ko varangala discuss kolla me the sumi already. Why do you think there are these different? Mi lesson nimiken darwati huriha kudinna ingene spending tafatwa sababa savings tafatwa sababa adi borrowings tafatwa sababta. Sida topic start from huring mega himene and bike terms tati kudinna dakkana misal ka disposable income mi waram muhimmache mi topic ka disposable income aki ko chekkang e baingen jehe aslo lesson feshumuge kuriya nge disposable income ki asluga ahar mi geya spend kurang gendeve waru income mane ki the total income that you get you may not be able to spend at all because misalaka mi raje ganama pension fund ebajehe mihar adanaka income taxes yoti introduce ko fehma income tax ang eligible wa mi income taxes dakkan jehen denganaka bay mi ebole social security benefits libe mi musto ehma ebole astum personally ena income en amdani gotuko libe ecche kan eduwa බෑතමෙස බෝල මිසාලක social security benefits and old age echi da adiya ko ege bo huri deductions takevis misalaka pension fund kadan jene income tax takka mi hon income tax service lari kadan jene so the total gross income which remains after the deductions and additions, it's called disposable income. We sometimes call this as take home pay. Okay, then wealth a key stock of assets which have money value misal car vehicle noni ge noni donye mikala etchisa mikani wealth. Rate of interest varam muhimmache mega rate of interest ebole devattarige rate of interest ekecheki rate of interest on loan borrowings then anekecheki rate of interest on saving. Rate of interest on borrowing mi wagotaki harme loan negima bank me interest dakkan jehe interest emida we say that that is the cost of borrowing. Then saving ga a bankum account holder they interest a return on saving. Interest on saving na ki libeche then interest on borrowing na ki harme dakkan jehe then mi hisabum samafaha ga kollang varam muhimma wahaken hama mi interest mi modern banking ka mi gengula interest mi hama sida islam deenuga haram ecche ama mihama ribage gotuga himenene ecce ekan hama sofa kollam beenu hama mi fursatuga then average propensity to consume miga maane ki mi waris mar muhimu tame den kamako miga maane ki the percentage of income, the percentage of disposable income which you spend. Misalka sateka rufiya libe mihaku addiha rufiya spend kofiyam 80% is your average propensity to consume. Consumption was varam muhim vecche mi consumption के माने की using of goods and services, using up of goods and services. Saving ratio, average propensity to save me the percentage of the disposable income which you save. Misalaka sateka rufiya disposable income libe mihaku 10 rufiya save kofiyam 10% is your average propensity to save. Okay, now what determines how much we spend? Me faga holding kannege by me hon gina spend kure ane ba me hon madon spend kure me kon kon kantette ge ekam asumi determine me urani hinga baba ala mado. Now disposable income mane ki ena libe amdani madon libe mi haka obviously ena spend kure war madwani amdani gina libe mi haka ena spend kure war iturwani. Rate of interest misalaka bankon loan takadde interest wara kuda kofiyam ega mane ki there is a possibility that you can get there is a possibility that people will borrow more. Gina loan negumoge fursate bay cost of borrowing daw vejjam ehem vejjam spending mes ituru anata ado mihun loan nagani ki save ko fabatta kanno nendo egen komme spending ne kuran ehem gina loan vima gina loan negenyam spending mes ituru vegendan ehem loan negumanu negum mi asu depend me wani rate of interest. දෙමිනනි ඒනගේ හුරි වෙල්තු මිසාලක ගේ හුරි අතද නෝනි වෙහිකල් හුරි අතද දෝනි ෆාර හුරි අතද එම වෙල්තා බලාෆෙස් වෙල්තු නෙම්මිහකස් comparatively එන ස්පෙන්ඩ් කරේ වර මදුවාන එකම් වෙල්තු හුරි මිහක ස්පෙන්ඩ් කරේ වර ඉතුරුවාන දැන් වෙල්තුගේ ගොතක එම හිමෙනේ අස්ලුග මි හණින් හැම් මෙබුනි ෂෙයා මිසාලක මිහ වර බොඩු කොම්ෆන්ජකුම් හිස්සා gane forage yam egen ena elibe dividends say ama wealth ke hotu kami fa kore veni hama if he has that then he will be able to spend more compared to someone else which do not have. Then mean consumer confidence ga mihar mibagota ki mihar misal ka mihar raja midima mewla situation ga consumer confidence eha rangalan wan because economy में some वारा downturn का मैदानी अहम वेमा people will be वारा बड़ा anxious वाने future वाने गोते नेंगे तीवे वजीफा वाने गोते नेंगे तीवे मी inflation एच्ची आगा अन्ना ने बदल नेंगे तीवे दा मी साला का मी आदि वजीफा लिबुन कमुगा व्यस and income वैसे बदा करे बाइक काला वजीफा तक मिकाला situation एमा मिकाला situations ता अन्नेरुगा consumer confidence davvejjam hama yagino we spending davwane but on the other hand economy rangalu vejjam consumer confidence is mati vegendan so that could lead to a rise in spending. Expenditure patterns and trend මෙහර මේ අනේ graph එක මේ ඉන්නනි අනේ real income real national income අනේ household consumption expenditure ya huri gulum අනේ Mexico ge dehas ashegge මේ අනේ මේ නාස්තේක නොවදිහවන හරුන් ෆිෂිකල් දහස් දිහවන හරද එතන තියෝදි මේ graph බදාලි කම වියස බ ඉංගේ වර positive relation එක ගාගඩ කය බහුරික ඒ මානේ කි real income increase වෙච්ච කම වඤ්ඤාම් spend kurawaru samay ba ituru vegende so there is a close relationship between real income and consumer spending mara ba ingenje mara disposable income magi coach ka ingeje real income astu we varam muhimma concept in economics ka real in economics means adjusted for inflation misalaka mi muwazzafunge musara bodukoffa බොඩු හුරීම ඒක මානේ කි එන ලිබේ මි ආම්දනි එවි ඉතුර මිසාලක එහෙන් නමස් එහාලතුග තකතිග අගුවස් එයා එවර බොඩු වෙච්ච කම වඤ්ඤාම් ಅಷ್ಟು ಫಾಸಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತುಕ ಏನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇ ಎಚ್ಚೆಂಗ್ ಇತುರು ವಿಯಸ್ ಏನ ಗಣಿವೆ ಎಚ್ಚಿ ಇತುರು ನುವಾಣದ ಎಮ ಅಬದ್ವಸ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಮಿ ಮೆಶಾ ಕುರಣಿ ಗಣಿವೆ ಎಚ್ಚಿ ಗಂದದು income increase වෙෆා ගණවේ වරුවස් ඉතුරු වෙච්චයාම we say that real income increase එහෙම වෙච්චයාම inflation තකති කාකු හේව වෙච්චයාම අබදවස් real income increase වань එම real income increase වීම and expenditures increase වාකම මේ data එමෙ දක්කණි other drivers of change in consumer spending patterns include these factors then මිහාතන මිස්ලයිඩ් එක මේ ඩිස්කස් මේ කොල්ලි මිසාලක මේ රියල් ඉන්කම් මා ස්පෙන්ඩින් නහරිකුළු then උරි ෆැක්ටර්ස් තකේ මිසාලක people are living longer මෙහර life expectancy health එක improve ආති වෙහම ගින countries තෝග life expectancy දණි මච්චන් එහෙම වෙච්චාම මම spending මස් ඉතුරු වෙගෙන දාන එක සබබ they have more leisure time මෙහර මසක්ක පුරා මාහවුල්ගේ flexibility එක්ක මීහුන් අනේ මසක්ක කුරා වගතු මදු leisure time ඉතුරු වීම වෙසම spending ඉතුරු වෙගෙන ගෑදානේ they are increasingly health conscious වීම health අනේ පුරා spending ඉතුරු වෙගෙන දානේ මිසාලක අනේ body check up එච්චි හදම මීහුන් කුරා හරද ඉතුරු වෙගෙන දානේ there is an increase in concern for the environment by environmentalist එහෙම मी हम मी मिसालकं हम मी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बाय मी हम एब बेणुम वे अने जनरेटर मी बेणुम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के बदल का सोलर एनल नोने सोलर टेक्नोलॉजी बेणुम कोने हम एवे सम वर बोट स्पेंडिंग एम मी काल तफात बेणुम त मी हम गहुन्ना तीवे हम एगोता स्पेंडिंग इतरु वेगन चेंज वेगन बदे more females join in the labor force of course kuriyavar mihar females empowerment employment ituru wima me amdani live mihun sedana ituru again hisabun so that could again lead to a rising consumption and technological improvement anna varakavis technology ituru varakavis and people's wants keeps increasing because that's the basic economic problem no human wants are unlimited so that could again increase spending. Okay, why do spending pattern differs? Why do spending pattern differs? Kive eki means me spend kura goi tafatu wani kive kinenno nge how enno how so the next slide why kive our individual spending and saving patterns depends on our preference economic circumstance and characteristics misalaka eki mihunge income hafatu rich mihunna wa mihunge income hafatu ehme mihun spend kura hissa pattern sama hafatu wane a male and female ga sebole hama spending pattern hafatu then wealth ebbek wealth ituru anebak back wealth eha ituru no eha wara kannen ehem vijjama sama ebole spending tafat misal gangamko විපාද වෙනින්ග බොඩ මිවල්ට ගින හුන්නනි එහෙම ජය එමිහුන් ස්පෙන්ඩ් කුරා එමිහුන්ගේ ලයිෆ් ස්ටයිල් ලා දැන් තිබෙ එමිහුන්ගේ ලයිෆ් ස්ටයිල් ලා වර බොඩ තෆාත් වඩ දැන් මි අය කන්නේ ඒ පොයින්ට් ඔස්ස ලයිෆ් ස්ටයිල් ගේ වාහක ඒජ් ආමකෝ යංග මිහුන් අනේ ස්පෙන්ඩින් ඉතුරු දැන් අනේ ඕල්ඩ් ඒජ් මිහුන් අබොරේ කල්චර් by countries tange bole hama mihar misal ka Japan is one of the country which has hama wara bodang ekala me ane saving culture en government ek uri ehem wen kanne ge me spending ha dam very recently they experienced a deflation also the deflation ki wara boda takede aku dabbo then taste ekimiyunge taste the tafat ekimiyunge benun tafat so this could also lead why there is a difference in spending pattern then me am muhim point family circumstances da kitame rich mi hakas adi kitame poor mi hakas emihange family ge ek circumstances honna gotu bike kantataka spend kurun ituru wegen gadane ei nge why do spending pattern differs then so how do spending pattern differs now low income earners මෙහර මේක අස්ත compare කරලා මේ වර ගින අනේ GC ගන්න සුවාලේ nge how why and how this income spending patterns differ from rich and poor ema low income earner so mi maana kurani poor mihunna emihunge they spend most of their income eluna libe income kama huriha eche ko husdegen daana ma spend kurana. And the second important thing is they spend a high percentage of their income on food and basic need. Of course, diruvulavikendo adi hamaka visneni. So they spend high percentage of their income on food and basic needs and lower percentage of their income on luxuries and entertainment. They cannot save much. If they can save also, they will be able to save a very little. High income earners, they may not spend most of their income. They may not make money. Compared to lower income, they may not spend much. They spend high percentage of their income on luxuries and entertainment. Emihunge lifestyle wara tafatu gendana. Emihunge income ke bodu by emihun spend kurane luxuries and entertainment, and lower percentage they will income on food and basic needs. Eka miga manenno lower income wara mimihun spend kura fasama deke inge actual amount these people will be spending more because they get more income. And saving navisnalias, they will be able to save a high percentage of their income compared to lower income earners. Denga saving badalama saving delays consumer spending to a later date. It's very true. Withdrawing savings to spend is called dissaving. Save ko for it me nagani ekko spend kurumattaka me activity amikene dissaving. Mihalatuka war gina ane resort hozafon emiyunge save ko for lari nagana do emiyunge spending because some of them are out of job and some of them the wages are reduced. Eya mikene dissaving. Saving definition naki saving is the amount of the disposable income which is not spent. Varang obvious varang simple answer. Denga badadama why do we save? Vargina understand me what are the motives people have for saving. Number one, people save for future spending. Gig ganna, no the car ganna, no the cycle ganna, no the phone ganna. Something they want to spend in future. That's one reason that people save. To earn income from interest, as I told you first, saving gaves bank interest dene hasako fixed deposits account ko save ko fikam vanya wara high interest dene adevse farama bunela me interest ki hama riba me dinu ka haram ecche but bank me interest itura customers detive ena deposit kuri wara buren iturang enage account an edugen dan ehma me wes by me income ituru kuram kura masakate. So that's also one of the reason why people save, to earn more interest. Deposit kuri wara buren itura fasa hodumattaka. People may save in case our economic circumstance may change. Misalka wazifa gelli danedi, misalkan health masalen atwe danedi, unforeseen expense atwe danedi, people may save. People also may save because there's an increased opportunities for saving. Increased opportunities for saving amanaki misalaka share vikka kunfunitakum share vikkan fasha fahuri gawme vejjiyam etaga mewle mi hunna opportunity ngotti anakas enage income rangalu kotuko save kurang so that they will get in return later the dividends. Pension scheme is also one of the way you are saving money each month for your older age. 65 vima pension scheme save ko for na fasa maki ware komme maigal libamum dana, so your future is secure. Then new tax-free saving accounts by far by countries to bank accounts saving account on tax naga. Tax nunaga saving accounts taking people will be willing to save because no extra charge. Then fixed interest saving bonds aki mi amko sarukaro vikka etchenge bonds aki nge mi hunna fasa hoduma taka sarukaro ane bond amko vikkani mi bond mi vikkani as the body business taka ginafara banks taka. Then ekamuka smitaga so me fixed interest saving bonds mi mana mi kurani asluga fixed deposits account. there is a fixed deposits account, saving accounts තෆාත වරන් හයිකෝ ඉන්ට්‍රස්ට් දේ account මේ account bank agree වා අධික මුද්දතක මේ ෆෑසා බහට්ටන් ජේන බෙහෙට්ටීම you will get a very high rate of interest. Okay, that is influence on saving. Then may motives for saving. Mihar me so me vada common influence. Kive by back ugina save ko fund back saving mother income. Interest rate zaka income ituru vejjam evena gina save korevene. Devanai ki interest rate on saving ituru vejjam a country a community එක මිහුම් සේව් කරලා දෙන ඉතුරුවන wealth ඉතුරු වෙච්චාම එනේ affairs ලිබේවර ඉතුරුවන so he will be able to save more. The social attitudes by countries though saving culture and work so previous boning connect misalka Japan what people believe about saving. If it is positive then there will be more saving. Then age structure badakam economic gina med umuruga adi muskuling ulekam manjam saving will be high compared to young people. Then culture and social attitudes lifestyle amadem miyama eppointe financial institutions වරම් අනේ banking හුරි මිසක රාජ්‍යක සුරිහාරශක banking නෙන් එහෙම වරම් උඳගොය දන් මිසක banking නෙ රශක රශක මිහුන සේව් කරන එකම bank හුරි මේ රශක ඒ financial institutions තකුන් එදේ අනේ saving schemes තව බෑරුම්ගේ ෆුර්සතුමා පොඩවානේ banking නෙ අනේ okay, that's it for saving. Now let's talk about borrowings. Consumer borrow money to finance additional expenditure. Of course, VFR devs pattani borrow kogen. Nunia me economic circumstances wazifa gelle sabat wasikama vias nuni expensive etche gannam vi kama vias sama miya borrow ko fane nena to evara lare netiyam. They can then make loan repayment over time from their future earnings. Personal debt is the total stock of money borrowed and yet to be repaid by a person or a household. Misalaka, so negi fansas rufiya galone BML lo nagafa miharo vihas rufiya dakka nimma foti, but still I have 30,000 to pay. That 30,000 is my personal debt. So okay, ane amilla daranjingi do me national debt onna hen ama personal debt onna onna echenge miya ko to naga fellari ena nudakka hinda ko etiwana hama debt එක nge. Then this is a credit card. me huri zamanavre mi zamanuga borrowings ituru uma magofewa essababa me. Now with this card you will be able to spend, you will be able to pay, you will be able to purchase things even if you don't have balance in your bank account. Me card holder on bank on the furusate, but later you have to pay back with interest. That's then personal bank loan by Bank of Maldives by the Louis Express kia loan me akeki evs parage security rahune betu men neti amawara fase han libe loan ehma mi kala loan libe le fase ha vecham sama borrowings ituru egen dane bank overdraft anaka bank overdraft ki evs ama bank account ka an account holder account ka hunna fasa buren itura bankum pay kura payments ta overdue we found payments misalaka skomme mahaku so mihaka dakkan jefori 1000 rupiah ekam and bankum a fasa dakka wakutu jehunu soge account uri 500 ekamaku buying alatawga bankum overdraft ge gotuga 500 itura dakka dene, but I have to again pay back with interest to the bank. Ekala overdraft ge fursata he dives sama borrowings ituru again abade credit card wa dekke then men higher purchase ki me armsa car men phone vechi cycle vechi car vechi me dagwi gannani do installment basis ko ema eves sama it's also kind of borrowing. No, we get the phone or car or cycle, but we have to pay back with interest maha bahalagin me dakkan change. So these are some of the factors that could lead borrowings in a country. Then what determines how much we borrow? By me gina borrow kurani anabami madum demme so me the motives for borrowing. The mihar menakani why some people borrow more than others. Misalaka interest rate is one of the factor. Interest rate davvejjiyam loan nagalin ituruwan because loan repayment dakkan jevar maduwegen daanatiyo. Wealth ituruwa miha. Misalaka wealth ituru vejjiyam ena ge borrowings ituru vedana sababaki ena ge onnana security ena onnana guarantee ena ge loan ambura ena dekkena kamuge. Consumer confidence anekkavis. Misalaka what does the future hold? High price, more unemployment. No, misalaka me future ga unemployment nuni economy ya nede vesaru annane kama anticipate coffee kama vanyam consumer confidence ituru itura davvej kama vanyam misalaka mihar raja midima mule halatuga meotti wara consumer confidence davvefa ehmema mihalatuga fasa nemmi huma borrowings ituru koffan ei later vaana wenne geti e fasa emihunge daily spending na bahattam me then anekkas monnani ane mi fahum fasa de gota ekiyechi ganeve eki payments de wara bamaru schemes take mihare pore em mikenaslu credit facilities em mi schemes ta mi facilities tan ituru vivarakam hama borrowings ituru wegen daane then mennani attitudes borrowings are de terega e society ko misalaka deke positive vejjiyam borrowings ituru wane etan ekam positive no vejjiyam hama borrowings ituru no hinga daane then mihar then ni me hisaba mi inge haru mihar mi discuss kolli as to spending motives, saving motives, then borrowing motives, why some people borrow money than others, and difference in expenditure pattern between rich and poor people. Okay, let's discuss some exam style MCQ. What is the most likely to cause a rise in expenditure in an economy? Expenditure in an economy rise wani kung halatin kahe. Jawab ki a rise in consumer confidence. What can cause a fall in saving? Saving country ka fall wani kiwe. Obviously interest rate on saving fall which jam saving fall wagendan. Miyama past paper ganna ama simple suwal tange. Tenga ba mi exam style ane 4-part question naka jassala mada. Identify the opportunity cost of saving. If you don't save, what will be your opportunity cost? You will spend with that money, right? Mamita answer command the opportunity cost of saving is spending, and you must define the what is opportunity cost. Yeah, next best alternative for one. Explain 2 reasons why young workers may save less than middle-aged workers. For the reason came income madi. Devana reason came wants ituri emuga lifestyle lifestyle hunna gotung emuga wants maabudang ituru vejji kama manjamus they will be willing to. Then middle-aged workers, they will think about future because they will have family commitments also, so they will be willing to save less. C. Analyze the causes of reduction in borrowing by household. Household and borrow kura or madhuani kive. Furatama reason na ki interest on loan increase with borrowing dawan. They want a reason na ki there is a rise in consumer confidence. People are employed, your income increase, you are satisfied with your income, so borrowing them again that. That's it. Then D. Discuss whether or not an increase in income will cause an increase in spending. Most likely increase in income will cause an increase in spending because if your disposable income increase, your purchasing power increase, and with extra money income spend, so you will be willing to spend more. Devana sababaki income increase with extra income hama VFR efficiency fursatu sebe, so that could again lead to more spending in money spending in investment. Then anekolaliyarugaliyan misalaka ad income increase with spending increase no dane factors to sebe hori misalaka rate of inflation in the country. Warabboda rate of inflation ituruvi ehem vejjamu purchasing power davwana, so spending will not increase. They want a reason na ki ane economy ya mi recession na kaddiye misalaka kulliye kaddiye recession na miharu and increase income increase fonne ruka sama economy gostana ta kulli halata mihar armen raja dimave mole halata do. So in that case people will not spend because they will be anxious about future, so they will save rather than to spend ema migota miasa de kolalli animale minimus. Okay, so that's it. I hope you understood the household income spending and saving. Okay, that's it. Thank you.